YouTube, welcome back. Dub Digital Crypto News, Macro Trends. Give me subscribe if you appreciate that content. I'm trying to give you the hottest crypto content on the internet. I gotta talk to my day ones. That's right, I'm talking to all the Wandalorians out there in Wandalore. Represent. Y'all didn't think the old Dub Digital would forget about you now, did you? We don't do that, at least not at this channel. And it's probably not news to y'all, but we've been seeing some life coming out of the crypto market, rising like a phoenix from the ashes to the heavens. And trust me when I say this, guys, I know exactly how it feels to see some of your favorite altcoins sitting on the ground, moving at a snail's pace while other cryptocurrencies are soaring to the sky. But guess what, guys? You're in good hands, because in this episode we're gonna talk about all of it. We're gonna talk about the flow of capital and how it makes its way through the crypto economy. But make sure to stick to the end, guys, because this is the Dub Digital channel. As a special bonus for my wolf pack, we're gonna put some breadcrumbs together, flesh out the story, and look into some of the close ties between the Wanchain team and Ethereum. But I can't give you guys everything in the intro. Let's pull up the charts. Alright guys, I'm sitting out here on the WAN USD pair. Let's get it. So guys, if you're new to my coverage on Wanchain, according to the Dub Digital school of doing stuff with charts, I like to approach investments way out and zoom way in. So let's go ahead and analyze Wanchain's price action from that perspective. Probably no surprise to you, but Wanchain, after 2018, when everything entered the bear market, this thing came down with the ferocity of 1,000 suns. Fell down about 95% at the worst of it. That drop of 95% occurred over 203 days. That's less than a year. But it pays to remember this simple concept, guys. Hard up, hard down. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Then for the next 800 days, guys, Wanchain trended sideways and really didn't deviate too far away from that 40-cent level. Dub Digital. This chart don't look bullish as hell. This chart looks like a big old L for loser. AKA, this was a moment in time for you to pick up some cheap WAN. Dub Digital. Why the heck would I pick a WAN, bro? Let me explain. We talked about something in my previous videos called asymmetric risk, and it pretty much goes like this. While some investments you can make a little and lose a lot, other positive asymmetric risk investments mean that you can lose a little but gain a lot. As time moves on, those opportunities get less and less because the Bitcoin and altcoins start taking off to the moon. And when we measure Wanchain at its current point at about 40 cents, to get back to its all-time high of about $8.50, we're looking at an increase of possibly 2,133%. Hold on, guys. I'm getting lightheaded just thinking about it. Dub Digital. Why the heck would it go all the way up there again? It looks like this thing's about to die a horrible death on the bathroom floor, bro. Okay, but let's think of it this way. Is it or is it not true that Wanchain reached $8.50 before in 2017? Yes, it's true. And if we know that a digital asset could garnish that much attention and that much money before, why do you think it's out of the realm of possibility that it could happen again? And when you put it like that, it's not really out of the realm of possibility now, is it? Because if you follow this channel and you're part of the wolf pack, you know that charts have memory. And when we zoom up, we got a better understanding of what's really happening on the bottom of the price action for Wanchain. It's not just a flat L shape, guys. It's actually the turning of the Titanic. If an asset fell this hard and this fast, wouldn't the people holding that asset get all salty and mad? Wouldn't it discourage them from buying any more of the asset, probably for years? When assets fall hard, it hurts the confidence in that asset. This period on the ground here is very typical of an altcoin that got murdered during the bear market. This thing took a long time to reverse the downward trend. It forms a triangle, y'all. And what are triangles? Patterns of accumulation and consolidation. And guys, when we look at it, we'll see that Wanchain hit its bottom at 7 cents right in March of 2020. What else happened in March of 2020, guys? Oil went negative. Bitcoin went down to 3,600 bucks. We essentially had a huge deflationary shock throughout all the markets. But ever since that point, Wanchain has been respecting this upward sloping trend line. And as far as I can tell, guys, Wanchain's been stepping up, stair-stepping, grinding up all the way to the previous resistance level, 45 cents per WAN. The 40 cent to 50 cent level seems to be a very, very strong resistance area for the Wanchain price. It's getting squeezed into the eye of the needle. But you know what, y'all? Something's gotta give, now or later. I'm expecting Wanchain to break up to the upside sometime next quarter of 2021. But what we can do is a measure move to see what kind of percentages we can be expecting. Height of the triangle, the area of expected breakout. Sometime in the next couple months, Wanchain should be having a shot up of about 83 to 100%. Dub Digital, you said Wanchain could go up 2,000%. What the heck am I gonna do with 83%? See that little ant right there? The little thing that you can barely see? That's the measure measure move I just plotted. After that move, then we got this move. After that one, I'm expecting this one, 600%, and so on and so forth. Dub Digital, no way, bro. You smoking something. You really think Wanchain can go back to $8? I don't think it can go back to $8. I'm banking on it go past $8 because it helps to understand how things move in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. I bet y'all been watching Bitcoin go from 10,000 to 40,000, right? Well, all that money that leaked into Bitcoin from other sectors of the economy will start proliferating out into other sectors of the cryptocurrency economy and help build out the blockchains, protocols, ecosystem. And as that money trickles down from Bitcoin to other high cap altcoins like an Ethereum and like a Chainlink, that money starts to get anxious too and starts trickling down into the lower cap altcoins. All right, Dub Digital, I get it, but why do you think money's gonna flow into altcoins? Because I got a whole bunch of altcoins and no Bitcoin, and all my friends are making fun of me. Well, guys, you always want to be where the money's about to be. The money's not all in altcoins just yet, but that doesn't mean it's not going to, and that's exactly why we look at different charts than just your favorite cryptos. Let's go ahead and check out the Bitcoin dominance chart. Here we go, guys. I'm sitting on the Bitcoin dominance chart. Let's get it. I'm not gonna take too long to explain this one, but check it out. When you see green candles forming this chart, that means money's flowing into Bitcoin. When you see red candles flowing this chart, that means money's flowing out of Bitcoin and into altcoins. Green rectangles identify times when altcoins gain purchasing power against Bitcoin. And the most notable one was between April of 2017 to January of 2018, aka altcoin season. I get all sentimental just thinking about it. But guys, make sure to keep your eye on the 73% Bitcoin dominance level. Bitcoin hasn't really been above that level since July of 2017. Bitcoin dominance fell about 12% and bounced off of this bottom trend line of this triangle. And once it gets rejected from that point, that will confirm a head and shoulders pattern that's playing out on the weekly. And what's the head and shoulders pattern, guys? Pattern of reversal. Dub Digital. Reversing where? You guys remember this drop right here? Yeah, I'm talking about something like that. All right, Dub Digital, I get it. But what's up with altcoin market cap? That's a good point. Let's go check it out. Here we go, guys. I'm sitting on the altcoin market cap, and this was really not going to take a genius to explain. See this smaller pattern right here in this circle? It looks like this bigger pattern right here in this circle. This is what we call a fractal. And at the end of it, the altcoin market cap shot up about 300%. Wouldn't it be reasonable to assume that the same would occur here? That's exactly what's occurring. We're only about 27% from the previous all-time high of 460 billion bucks. But guess what, guys? That's just the start. Because after that point, we still got all of this price discovery to get into. But you know what, guys? I'm tired of all this TA. You know, this is the Dub Digital channel. We get that TA and the FA and we mix it all up. That fundamental analysis, because those closer to the knowledge profit. Simple as that. Guys, before we get all up in the Wanchain, the titan of DeFi, I want to set the stage. To understand the gravity of what Wanchain is trying to conquer as the hub of all DeFi, you have to understand how much money is actually flowing into DeFi. Dated January 25th of 2021. 45 billion DeFi market cap and soaring. TVL, or total value locked, suggests the best is yet to come. Getting me so hyped. The decentralized finance market cap has reached 45 billion as the total value locked in DeFi continues to rise to new highs. Data from CoinGecko shows that in the past 6 months, DeFi's total market capitalization has grown to $45 billion. If that's not bullish, I don't even know what to tell y'all. The total value locked across DeFi protocols has increased from 21.49 billion to 26.173 billion in the past 4 days. DeFi's rapid growth suggests the sector is primed for explosive growth as cryptocurrency becomes more mainstream. And let me just reiterate Wanchain's ultimate goal, Wanchain's vision. Wanchain's vision is to create the ultimate decentralized banking solution. We envision an open finance cross-chain world with all chains connected, all industries integrated, and where Wanchain offers a one-stop shop for all financial services. We aim to achieve this goal by building infrastructure to establish cross-chain integration with all major public and private blockchains. It's that serious. Wanchain's looking to wrap all kinds of digital assets up from all kinds of different blockchains and bring that liquidity right here to Wandalore, where you and I sit. Let's go over Wanchain's 2021 roadmap, see what they got in the pipeline. And as you can see here, guys, Wanchain specifically lays out that it's targeting other blockchains to leak liquidity out of and into the Wanchain ecosystem. New assets and blockchain integrations, integration of XRP, integration of DOT, integration of other chains, additional ERC20 tokens. We've had our eye on Polkadot ecosystem for quite some time, and they will form a big part of our strategy moving forward. We plan to integrate Polkadot and the DOT token as well as other substrate-based tokens. But now that we got all that out of the way, I want to give you guys some secret sauce. Follow me down the rabbit hole because I got some breadcrumbs I need to show you. Check this tweet out by Wanchain. Wanchain Wanchain is a technology machine, no question about it. Do you know our VP of engineering? His name is Weijia Zhang, and he is also regional head of China Ethereum Alliance. Together with some other top-notch engineers at WAN, he has taken DeFi to a new dimension. And here he is, the man himself. And guys, if you don't follow Weijia, make sure to follow him on Twitter. Blockchain Moses finna take Wanchain to the promised land. But Dub Digital, I'm new to crypto. What the heck is the Ethereum Enterprise Alliance? I thought you'd say that. Let's check it out. The EEA enables organizations to adopt the use of Ethereum technology in their daily business operations. We empower the Ethereum ecosystem to develop new business opportunities, drive industry adoption, and learn and collaborate with one another. Join the 200 plus organizations supporting the EEA. Who's in the EEA, you might ask? You might be pleasantly surprised. Accenture, Banco Santander, Hyperledger, ING Bank, JP Morgan Chase. Wow. Matic Network, Microsoft, NewCipher, Orchid, Pacific Gas and Electric Company, and Wanchain. So with all these big world-renowned members in this Ethereum Alliance, we got Weijia here, very, very close to it all. And on top of that, guys, in case that wasn't enough, y'all know the founder and CEO of Wanchain, Jack Liu, homeboy right here. But I was doing some digging on the internets, and I found a picture that you guys might be interested in. Check it out. What? Dub Digital, is that Jack Liu shaking hands with Vitalik Buterin? Yes, it is. It looks like those two might have had a few conversations or two now, huh? Jack Liu said this via an interview. I worked with him for a long period of time. In fact, he helped fact him a lot on the white paper and technical solutions. He lived in China for about 9 months, and we had a lot of opportunities to collaborate, both on and offline. He provided me with lots of insights on a personal note as well on Wanchain's project. So let me get this straight. We got Weijia, regional head of the Chinese Ethereum Enterprise Alliance. And we got Jack Liu, who's admitted that he's worked closely with Vitalik Buterin and even had Vitalik look over Wanchain's project. And in the mix of it all, guys, we have Wanchain participating in a foundation where JP Morgan Chase, Banco Santander, Pacific Gas and Electric, and a million other big old companies I didn't name. There's a lot of interesting connections between the Wanchain team and Ethereum. While I don't know exactly what it means, I wonder what else they discussed behind closed doors. And I wonder what else Weijia knows, being the regional head of the Chinese Enterprise Ethereum Alliance. While all the plans aren't out in the open now, I'll tell you what, but y'all don't gotta listen to me. This is not financial advice. I'm just a dude on the internet. Just want to bring an update on WAN because I looked at the chart and I said my Wanchain homies might need me. More of the story is this, guys. While Wanchain might be lagging compared to some of these higher capped altcoins, I don't want you guys to despair. We talked about how capital flows through the crypto economy from high cap to mid cap to low cap. It's my belief that good things come to those who wait, and it's gonna be a real doozy watching the market finally wake up to what Wanchain's been doing for the last 3 years. You know what, guys? You ain't gotta believe me. Do what y'all gotta do. I'm just a dude on the internet. If you appreciate the content, give me a like, comment, subscribe. Dub Digital, crypto news, macro trends. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.